Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to do hanging indent for reference in MS Word. This is pretty simple and easy. What you have to do is you need to select the paragraph and right click and go to the paragraph, and here under the indentation section you will see that a special option. Click on that and click on the hanging, and here in the preview bar you will see that the hanging indent has been done, and here you can adjust the size 1 inch and click OK, and this is what you can do easily. And moreover, you can also go to the in the home section, and under the paragraph section click on this arrow, and after that you will be go to the same window, and here you can increase or decrease the indentation. So I hope you understand how to do hanging indent for reference in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.